B! For today's video is we are going to explore El Nido, Palawan! Our plane landed at exactly 3 o'clock p.m. at Puerto Princesa International Airport. So nag-decide kami to stay muna sa Amelia's Homestay before we continue our travel to El Nido, Palawan. So early in the morning, the following day nga ay sinundo kami ng van na sasakyan namin papuntang Corong-Corong, Palawan. Ito pang nakakatuwa mga B. Did you know na muntik pa kaming maiwanan ng van na pagsasakyan namin mga B? Kasi yung alarm na sinet namin ng 2 o'clock since 3 o'clock yung call time namin ay hindi tumunog. Buti na lang nagising kami 15 minutes before mag 3. Kaya nakapagbaon pa kami ng mga gamit na dadalhin namin papunta doon sa El Nido. Yung travel from Puerto Princesa to El Nido, magkukonsume po siya ng 5 to 7 hours depende sa speed ng van. So kaya naman nag-stop over muna kami dito sa isang restaurant na ang pangalan is Dayon Kamo. Dayon Kamo is a Waray term which means tuloy po kayo or welcome. Napakaganda ng ambience dito sa restaurant na to mga B, and you will feel like you are closer to nature habang kumakain. So after nga naming mag-breakfast is we continued our travel to El Nido. Sa van po pala na pinagsakyan namin, may mga other tourists pa kaming mga kasama, pero iba naman yung destination nila sa El Nido, ibang part ng El Nido, kasi kami, our destination is in Corong-Corong, El Nido, Palawan. Sila is sa Masagana, El Nido, Palawan. So after a while, sightful field travel ay narating din natin ang Corong-Corong, El Nido, one of the 4 main areas na pwede tayo magstay in El Nido, Palawan.
So nandito po tayo ngayon sa El Nido, pasakay na po tayo ng bangka. So lagi po kayo nakatutok 24 oras. Yan po yung Corong-Corong Port. And then this is our boat, Sion 8.
O, diba? Nakakuha pa kami ng panibagong friend, si Kuya, na hindi lang naging videographer namin, kundi naging narrator pa. Shout out sa iyo, Kuya Randy and Kuya Ryan, ang aming boatmen ng Sion 8. So now we are leaving the Corong-Corong Port towards our first destination, which is the Minilok Island, kung saan makikita ang Big Lagoon and Hidden Lagoon. So by the way mga B, di ba kanina sabi ko ay yung Corong-Corong is only one of the 4 areas na pwede nating pag-stayhan dito sa El Nido. We still have 3 options, which are the town proper or yung Buena Suerte, which is the very active town in El Nido, kung saan marami siyang mga offices, small hotels and restaurants parallel to its beaches. Next to it is Barangay Masagana, which is best known for several more resorts and Kalaan Beach. So yung Barangay Masagana or yung Kalaan Beach is the same lang siya ng Corong-Corong, which hindi siya masyadong crowded unlike ng other 2 options natin. And then if you want to settle in a more peaceful and quiet place, you can opt to stay in Corong-Corong or Barangay Masagana. Our last option to stay here in El Nido, Palawan is the one called the Islands. But here, accommodations are very expensive and luxurious. So, dapat maging practical tayo. So, kayo na lang po ang pumili among those 4 areas na pwede nating pag-stayhan. Town proper, Corong-Corong, Kalaan Beach, and the most expensive one, which is the Islands. El Nido is composed of 45 rocky islands and is a protected area with very healthy marine life and spectacular seascape. Ang nakakatuwa pa dito mga B, kahit na marami ng mga turista ang nagpupunta dito sa El Nido and kahit na it is among the best beach destinations in the world, is na-maintain pa rin ng El Nido ang pagiging a quiet town nito. So very laid back pa rin yung atmosphere dito sa El Nido. First stop namin sa island hopping is yung Big Lagoon na tinatawag, which is the highlight of our El Nido tour. So habang papalapit yung bangka na sinasakyan namin is nafe-feel ko yung hangin sa aking mga skin and I cannot contain the color and the tranquility image that calmed my spirit habang papalapit doon sa aming Big Lagoon experience. Sobrang excited ko po talaga mga B. Aside kasi sa isa ito sa aking mga bucket list is it is like a dream come true talaga. So sa Big Lagoon experience, we are given a 45 minutes para i-enjoy yung scenic views and para makapag-kayak kami. So nag-rent kami ng kayak. It was my first time din to ride in a kayak. Tapos I couldn't stop myself from gazing at the wonderful rock formation that surrounds me. Kasi nga, yung lagoon na yun is surrounded siya ng different rock formation and I was amazed kasi nga, yung mga rock formation na yun, may mga forest din siya. Sobrang amazing lang talaga ng nature, 'di ba? Magwa-wonder ka na lang paano tumubo yung mga trees, plants na yun sa ibabaw ng rocks. Aside from the rock formation, you will also be captivated with the turquoise-like color ng water dito sa kanilang sea. Mamaya mga B, towards the end of this video ay ipapakita ko yung mga different activities na ginawa namin in every island na nag-dock yung aming boat. So next na pinuntahan namin is yung tinatawag na Shimizu Island or yung payong-payong kung saan we had our lunch. So hindi na kami bumaba doon sa island mismo para kumain. Instead, we had a lunch by the boat. Trivia mga B, di ba parang Japanese word or Japanese term yung pangalan ng island na to? Yes, tama po kayo. It is a Japanese named after a Japanese diver na one of the scuba divers na nag-explore ng El Nido but he did not make it and nakita yung kanyang body sa island na to. Kaya yung island na is named after him. So habang prepare ng boatmen yung ating mga pagkain para sa ating lunch ay nag-swimming muna kami mga B and nag-snorkeling. Yung most thrilling part of this hop is the snorkeling kasi nga we were able to see up close the corals and fishes. O, diba mga B, first time ko lahat gawin yon, mag-snorkeling, mag-El Nido, mag-island hopping, seeing the different rock formations na very healthy kasi nga may mga vegetation siya, may forest sa ibabaw ng mga rocks. So our last hop or last stop namin is yung tinatawag na Seven Commando Beach where we had our refreshing drinks. The site was very tropical, from white sand to the coconut trees and the frontliners of greenery to the strong rock formation behind. Meron din itong ibang activity area na pwede kang mag-volleyball at saka basketball. Since ito na yung last destination or yung final island na pinuntahan natin, hindi na natin inaksaya pa yung pagkakataon to enjoy more. So nag-swimming tayo ulit and enjoy natin yung white sand, yung crystal clear water, the turquoise sea water. Kaya naman, I really have so much fun with this trip mga B. All in all, ang island na na-explore natin is 5 lang out of 45. So we're definitely be coming back. So watch out for more mga B kasi in the future we will be uploading more videos about our exploration with the remaining 40 islands in El Nido, Palawan. Thank you for watching mga B, and if hindi pa po kayo nakasubscribe kay Inday Viajera, please subscribe and don't forget to press the notification bell. Thank you for watching again. See you in my next vlog mga B.